Hello friends, today we are going to show you AM-based modulator and simulator. Using this you can see the different waveforms and their modulation signals. So this project work on this R5 board, and here is the code running the AM-based modulation GUI. And here, as you can see, whenever I give the amplitude of the message waves and the frequency of the message wave, then I can plot the waves here, and I can get the frequency. I can give the frequency of the carrier waves and the frequency of the carrier wave, and we can plot it out, and the modulation signal we can plot it out. So using this AM-based modulation system GUI software, you can able to determine the over modulation, under modulation, and right modulation. So this is how you can plot the graph by frequency and of message wave and carrier wave, and see the graph of those, and so you can able to know the signal modulation, and able to find out the over modulated signal and under modulated signal, and able to do the signal modulation easily and do the simulation of that. So this is the whole project. So this whole project is work on the R5 board. Whole project is work on the R5 board, or you can use any Linux board. And to make this project, you need to install the libraries, few libraries. Those libraries are first is the NumPy, and then you have to install the Thinker library. After that, you need to install I have already installed it. So after that, you need to install the matplot library. Then you need to prepare the code like this, the AM-based modulation code. After preparing the AM-based modulation code, you can run this code and get this AM-based modulation GUI, on which you can do the AM signal modulation and see the waveforms and its output, and find out the over modulation and under modulation signal. So thank you. To check this whole project, you can check the link in description below, or press the I button. And to make more such project, you can always subscribe to our Electronics for You website and our YouTube channel.